Tired of that buzzing sensation every time you tap a key? Let's silence your Android keyboard and reclaim a smoother, quieter typing experience. First, we need to access your Android device's main settings. Locate the gear icon, which is usually found on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tap on it to open the settings menu. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled sound and vibration. This is where most audio and haptic feedback settings are controlled. Go ahead and tap on that. Inside the sound and vibration menu, look for an option that relates to system sounds or vibration controls for various device functions. Sometimes this might be a subsection, or it might be a prominent option directly visible. Tap on it to proceed. You're now looking at a list of different haptic feedback options. We're specifically interested in anything related to the keyboard. You'll likely see an entry like keyboard tap vibration or haptic feedback on keypress. To turn off the vibration, simply tap the toggle switch next to keyboard tap vibration or haptic feedback on keypress. The switch will change its position, usually from colored to gray or a simple line, indicating that the feature is now disabled. And just like that, you've successfully turned off keyboard vibration. This means no more buzzing when you type, leading to a more focused and silent interaction with your phone. And it can even help conserve a little battery life throughout the day. Enjoy your newly quiet typing.